Hey YouTube, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna be speaking to you guys about the equipment I bought in order to basically film this video. What you see going on here is a result of all the equipment that I bought. I bought a new camera, I bought a new tripod, I bought a tripod mini, I bought a ring light, I bought a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't have before. Don't get me wrong, not all the items that I bought are things that you need. They're not necessities. These are items that I honestly recommend. I hope that after viewing this video, you guys are left with an idea of what it is you may need to start a YouTube channel. Basically, a camera. Get in front of that camera and just shoot your video. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. I didn't have equipment to start this video actually. Some people start with their phone, some people start off an iPad, a camera, a professional camera, whatever it is that you have, don't be scared to start. I honestly went all out and bought everything I thought that I needed to make a great video. That's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to start showing you the items that I bought. First of all, to have a YouTube channel, all you need is basically a camera. I went out and I bought this Sony camera. Actually, this is a camera that came out like a month ago or less than a month ago. I went into Best Buy, which is where I bought it, with no knowledge at all. The people there in Best Buy were actually very nice and they helped me out. I had to wait for it. All I remember saying is, wow, I really want it, and I want it right away because I want to start this YouTube channel. So they told me, oh, we don't have any inventory left, you're gonna have to wait. I was so impatient. Honestly, this whole week I was on my phone recording short videos of myself. How are you gonna talk in front of a camera? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna say? What is gonna be your first video? And all these thoughts come into your mind, like how do you start it? How do you get nervousness out? And to be honest, I said, you know what? I'm just gonna get in front of the camera and talk. I'm gonna edit out whatever it is I don't like, and I know I'm not gonna like a lot of things, but just start. Which you could actually see on the reflection of the box, my ring light. I am amazed at what this thing does. It is wonderful. It gives the camera such a wonderful lighting. It gives your face such a brightness. It gives the room so much light. It's honestly a must. I don't have much sunlight, so I needed to go for a second option. I'm gonna show you now the 3 different settings it has and the 3 different colors. This has more of like a fluorescent color. This has more of like a sun, like a tannish color. If you see me, I look tan, which is nice. This is more of like a pale white. You may be interested in buying this item. I bought this in Best Buy. It averages out to $50 to $60. I'm not exactly sure. The brand is Sunpak. It has 3 different lightings. It's perfect. Another thing that I bought, not a necessity, but it is something that I will get to using, is a tripod. I honestly didn't even know that this existed. Walked into Best Buy asking for opinions, for recommendations, what it is that I'm gonna need for a YouTube channel. Hey guys, so here I have the 2 tripods that I bought. As you can see here, these are actually very sturdy. So the big one actually expands to 58 inches. This right here is the mini tripod from Joby. It's actually wonderful. Well guys, that concludes today's video. Once again, I want to say thank you for stopping by and checking out my very first video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the video was very informative to some of those who want to start their very first channel and are looking for ideas of a first video, or simply just want an idea of the equipment they may need or may be missing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. By hitting that notification bell, you guys will get alerts to when I post new videos. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.